Hi, this is Cynthia and Jordan.
Hi.
We are going to be doing 8 glasses today, wine glasses that we have all set up here. And we're going to do pairs today, and Jordan is going to do the first 2 pairs. We have different techniques, her and I. So let's just see what it looks like at the end. We are doing a clean pour. We tend to like the clean pours just a little better when we have a glass like this. It tends to go on nicely. So we'll just let it pour down. So a little tip and trick that we do when we do, Jordan and I do it actually at different stages. Jordan likes to put several different colors on before she does it. But can you see how there are some pieces of the glass that the paint has not got on, and you'll see some people use their fingers, some people use different items. We tend to get a straw and blow the paint on it. Seems to work, and it produces neat designs. So let's just come over here because Jordan will start here. Oh, is it over here maybe? You have to come this way. So basically the reason that you do this is because you want the paint to just completely flow. And then right down. If you don't pay attention to this now, it could become a problem later. You want to come this way? Ah. Oh, you got that. And there's just 3 more on this side. Oh. Look at that. Oh, you got that one. And another one's right. These 2 are right there. Yep. You got them. See, doesn't that look cool? Even just blown out, and then it just starts to continue to flow down. It really is pretty cool. And believe it or not, we're looking at this right now, and at the end it's gonna just look slightly different. Are you keeping it this way, Jay? Yeah? Okay, this is Jay's first. Don't worry, the gravity will pull all of that down, but that looks pretty cool. All right, she's gonna do the same colors on a second one. There's just something so satisfying about pouring paint. And we started this whole thing because it was a really cool way to give Christmas gifts. And yeah, we did 35 vases. Not even thinking anything but trying to get Christmas presents out. And then we loved it so much, I went out and bought a ton of wine glasses. And we started doing wine glasses. It is a different little beast than doing... Cool. That is so cool. Than doing vases. Yeah, and sometimes you'll see people who don't blow the top off. They let the top go. This has just been something that we have done. You do have some... Almost. You got a little bit left down there. There you go. Wow, so look at that. They look so good, Jay.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to take you around so you can see these. They're still flowing down. So the color consistency will still continue to change just a little bit. We'll come back and show you the end result later.